Hi friends, welcome to Krishna's Tech Info. In this video we can see how to install VirtualBox 6.1 on Ubuntu. VirtualBox is the best example of hosted hypervisor, which is the type 2 hypervisor. In the type 2 hypervisor, the hypervisor will be a software which is installed on top of an operating system. So you have the base operating system and you can install the applications like VirtualBox or VMware Workstation, which is the hosted hypervisor. On top of these applications like VirtualBox or VMware Workstation, you can install multiple operating systems. So now we can see the installation of VirtualBox on Ubuntu. You can download the VirtualBox installation package from this link. I will post the link in the description. You can download it and then install using this package. You can download this package using the wget command, wget and the download link. The package size is 84 MB, so it will take some time. Now the package is downloaded. Now we can install it using the dpkg command, dpkg -i and the package name. Now we can see a dependency error. To solve the dependency problem, we can run the apt-get -f install command to install all the dependency packages and then install VirtualBox. Now we can see the message, it is correcting the dependencies. So these are the dependency packages that are needed to be installed. Now we can give us to download and install the packages. This will take some time. Now you can see it is setting up the VirtualBox and adding group VBox users. Now we can go to the menu and search VirtualBox. Now you can see the Oracle VM VirtualBox. Now you can see the VirtualBox is open. You can click the new to create a new virtual machine. You can just give the name for the virtual machine. You need to just have the ISO file of the operating system that you need to launch as a virtual machine. So you can select the location for the machine files to be stored, and you can select the type of the virtual machine you need and click next, and you can see the memory size. You can increase it as you need, and if you have the existing virtual hard disk, you can select it, or you can create a new virtual hard disk file, and you can select the hard disk file type VDI, VHD or VMDK. And if you want to have the storage on the physical hard disk as dynamically allocated, you can select it, or if you want the fixed size, you can select this, and you can save the location, and you can just click create, and then you can select your ISO file to launch your virtual machine. In this video we saw how to install VirtualBox 6.1 on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching this video. Post your comments and suggestions. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button to get instant notifications on my videos. You can follow me on this Instagram ID and Facebook page. For any queries, you can reach me on this Skype ID.